Welcome back, guys. In this tutorial I want to teach you guys how you can easily remove the watermark on your photos or from your photos as generated with the Gemini app. Simply install Snapseed on your phone. First of all, click on tap snap speed. After selecting snap speed, after installation, you click on the plus sign to install the picture or image you wish to remove watermark from. Yes, this is how it looks. You have looks, tools, export. You select tools. For the purpose of this tutorial, you click on tools. After selecting tools, you click on healing. Yes, guys, healing. The one that looks like a star sign. Click on healing. Then you pick the watermark out. Then you select the check or good sign. And then you can decide to save or export or export as. Click on save. Boom, guys, that is it. View your work. When you're done, you can click on view or go to your gallery to view your work. Thank you, guys. Remember to like, share and subscribe.